name is Gary Heil. Welcome to the Apopka Seventh-day Adventist Church. We're so glad that you've joined us. Our mission is to extend the ministry of Christ to our community with hope and wholeness, and our goal is to bless others 7 days a week.
My name is George Crawford from the Apopka, Florida Seventh-day Adventist Church, and I'm here with a special invitation. An invitation to 6 exciting presentations that were designed to be life-changing for you. Our presenter will be Pastor Ken Norton, a man with a rich ministry background. At the making of this video, February 8, 2025, Pastor Ken is currently the president of the Montana Conference of Seventh-day Adventists. Our presenter is worthy of these messages to share. He has a love for Jesus and a love for sharing Jesus' gospel, a penchant combined with a penchant for studying end-time prophecy and inspiring others to share this end-time truth with others by helping them connect the dots and understand some of the behind-the-scenes that get overlooked sometimes. There are real things happening in our world that these 6 presentations speak to as we prepare for Jesus' soon coming. So there'll be a link here. I want to ask you to register, and if you would be so kind to register, we'll know how to plan for our presentations. Now, it's not required that you register, but if you would, it will be appreciated. However, you feel free to join us and come learn about what the Word of God says about the day we live in and the soon coming of Jesus. God bless you always.
Good morning, church family, and visitors too. For several years now, we have been privileged to partner with the Lake Mary Publix to receive food and other goods they are willing to donate to the community. Several churches in the area participate in this program. We receive food every other week to distribute, utilizing various ministries of the church. Our volunteer drivers pick up the food on Sabbath morning and deliver it to the church by 10:30 a.m. Sabbath mornings. We need drivers and volunteers to help us unload the van, organize and sort the packages for distribution, and to dispose of the boxes once emptied. The process shouldn't take more than 30 minutes. We also need volunteers to supervise this process so it can be done effectively every other week. If you can help us with this ministry, please contact Mac Rucker, Jack Carey, or Betty Perez. Thank you so much for your service. It's important.
Hello, church family. I just want to let you know that for many years your church has been involved in community service. We are involved in several different activities. We bring food to the homeless. We help feed shut-ins. And we deliver food to a man named Tony Jackson, who's a community leader who has been giving out food for many, many years. Pastor Freddie met him 5 years ago during COVID, and we have been working with him ever since.
That's all the news for this week. Hope to see you again next week. Have a happy Sabbath.